Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the sheet you want to remove and quickly inspecting it. First, make sure you can see the tab. If not, unhide it. Hidden sheets can contain critical formulas. Once visible, scan for links and formulas that reference this sheet so you do not break calculations. You should also check for named ranges and pivot caches that point to the sheet. This avoids surprises after deletion. When ready, proceed to the next step to remove safely. You now delete the sheet, but do it safely. First, save a backup or duplicate the sheet within the workbook. Once backed up, right-click the tab and choose Delete, or use the Home menu Delete command. Excel will prompt for confirmation. Read it. If the sheet is referenced externally, remove or update links via Data Edit links before deleting. You may also replace formulas with values or update references to avoid broken calculations. After deletion, check the workbook for errors and proceed to final cleanup. You finish by cleaning up any leftovers and verifying everything works. First, run a search for #ref. Errors or use go to special to find broken formulas. Once found, repair or redirect them. Next, open Name Manager to delete any named ranges that reference the removed sheet so they do not linger. Then recalculate the workbook and review pivot tables, charts, and external connections to confirm no data is missing. Troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, restore your backup copy and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.